Hello friends, welcome to We Study. Please subscribe our YouTube channel We Study. Now we are see about NLC GET electrical part. First question. The Swinburne's test is conducted in order to determine no load losses in case of DC machines. Swinburne's test is performed on no load. So, it is not used for series motor. Swinburne test is conducted to find no load losses for DC machines. Question number second. Induction generator works between the slip of S less than 0.0. An induction machine will behave as an induction generator when slip becomes negative due to this rotor current and rotor EMF attains negative value. The prime mover torque becomes opposite to electric torque. This will be used in wind turbines. Question number 3. The series field of Longchamp compound generator is excited by load current. See here, there are two types of compound generator basically. The first one is short shunt compound generator and the second one is long shunt compound generator. See the diagram carefully. Here, series connection. Here, see the diagram. The essential difference between the two is that in the short shunt connection, the armature current excites the series field, whereas in the long shunt connection, the load current excites the series field. So the answer is load current. Next, dielectric heating is an industrial method employed for heating of insulating materials. Dielectric heating is used for insulating materials, example plastic, ceramic, etc. Its working voltage is 20 kV and 10 to 30 MHz frequency. In dielectric heating, P is equal to 2 pi FCV square tan delta watt. The unit is watt because this power. The unit of power is watt. Next question is, in repulsion motor, zero torque is developed when both B and C, that is B's brush axis is 90 degree electrical to field axis. Then C is brush axis coincide with the field axis. In repulsion motor, no electromagnetic torque is developed when the angle between the stator and the rotor magnetic flux axis is either 0 or 90 degree. But actually the brush axis occupies a position somewhere in between. Alpha is equal to 0 degree and A is 90 degree as shown in the figure below. See the figure clearly. That is stator winding. Next question. A synchronous motor working at leading power factor can be used as power factor connection. A synchronous motor. This is power factor connection. An overexcited synchronous motor has a leading power factor. This makes it useful for power factor connection of industrial loads. If DC field excitation of a synchronous motor is such that back EMF EB is greater than applied voltage V, then the motor is said to be overexcited. An over-excited synchronous motor draws leading current. This is very important. The answer is power factor correction. The next is reactance relay is used for protection in short transmission lines. Explanation. Relay used for different configuration of transmission lines. Short transmission line reactance relay. Medium transmission line is impedance relay, and more relay is long transmission line. Next, the transconducts. The transconducts line. Next, the unit of mobility m square by v by s. This is based on the problem. The previous questions also based on the problem. We will solve it on the board. This is also a problem. We will solve it on the board on next video. This is a three-phase 33 kilovolt oil circuit breaker is rated 1200 amps. The symmetrical braking capacity is 2000 MVA, 3 seconds. Then the making capacity. This question they asked making capacity. We will solve it on the board, but this is the very easy question. Next, a dynamometer type wattmeter responds to the average value of active power. This is very important. See this formula also, power factor V RMS I RMS cos phi. This is power factor formula VI cos phi. Next is the moving coil in a dynamometer wattmeter is connected across the supply. In electrodynamometer type wattmeter, moving coil works as pressure coil. Hence, moving coil is connected across the voltage, and thus the current flowing through the coil is always proportional to the voltage. See the diagram. If you have any doubts, please ask in comment. This is also some figure based problem. Calculate the. We will discuss it on board in my next video. See, all the problem based questions will be discussed in board. We will discuss it on board. We have to move on next question. Next question. Corona effect in transmission can be detected by option hissing sound, faint luminous glow which is blue in color, presence of ozone which is detected by odor. These three are the answers. These are the corona effect. Of hissing noise, faint violent glow, and production of ozone gas surrounding the overhead lines due to ionization of air is called corona. The next question is, there are n resistance, each are connected in parallel having value R with the. This is also based on the some problematic questions. We will solve it. Thank you friends. Please subscribe our YouTube channel We Study.